You ready for school? You ready for school? Oh, you ready for a new ride? Y'all, your girl got her car yesterday. Y'all, your girl got her car washed yesterday. My baby got her 4 season. I'm back. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jada. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. We be notified when your girl drop a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, if y'all see that title in that thumbnail, y'all already know what this video is about. So let's get right into it. Y'all, we car shopping from a car, like I said. We car shopping. They're looking at that car.
Well, I ain't left the drawing board. I just didn't want to go all the way up. I knew I was coming all the way here. I would have went on to Elvis Press and looked at that one.
Ooh.
Well, at least you get something. You know what you get? Okay.
They food hot. Can I get the strawberry supreme ice cream?
Strawberry Supreme?
Yes.
Okay.
That's all you get?
Anything else for you?
That's it.
That's gonna be $5.32.
Okay, thanks.
And the page was a scam. And when he booked, he got charged for the haircut and the barber never showed up. That shit's scandalous as hell. Let me find out his
Fine, that's how we gonna got 2 pennies. You said 32, right? 2 pennies. Thank you. Excuse me, can I get some napkins? You stop talking.
Bro, that place is so packed. At Jerry's No Cone. That line was so long. It was all the way at the stop sign. It's too hot. That's why they come get the ice cream. I got the strawberry supreme ice cream. Sit out here. You know that I can't go that way.
Yeah, it comes with a side knife.
Oh, why? See.
Alright, you want to spice your mouth up?
Let me
To
know.
have some beer, you know, some drink. So it'll be like wine and charcuterie board stuff. So I know they're working on their liquor license. They're doing.
Talking to kids.
I guess it's
They waving at you. Look, they waving. You see them? See, look, they say hey. Look, they say hey.
Alright, this is the beer at Tiger Place. It's $15.86.
kid trying to get in the video.
You got 2 billion, you get this.
Huh? I got this. Oh, what time?
Upstairs. Get back for you.
Like the light up 3, 4.
Who want to stay outside all night just talking?
Hey y'all, we at this car place. My mama test driving a car, so I'm in the car with her. I was about to test drive her, but Nita got in the car too, so I'm just in the car with her. We just chilling, waiting on my mother now to get done test driving the car. My baby, if I get it today, I also finger rolls. I want it. I want that car. I want that red one because it's so freaking sexy. But I actually want I don't care what kind of car I get, as long as I got a ride to get me to point A, to point B, to point C, D, L, G, all the way to Z. Yes, I don't care what kind of car I got, as long as I got me and my babies a ride. Cause like I'm about to cry, cause I don't know if I'm getting a car today. Like I said, I got my finger crossed. My mama asked me did I like it. I said yeah, I like it. So when she get her test drive, she gonna ask me do I want it or not. So I probably gonna say yeah, we can get it today. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Yeah, so I'll talk to you little people in a minute. Hey mama, you wanna come up here while we waiting on them to get back? Hey y'all, I just left my baby school from like meeting the teachers and stuff and all that. So I'm in Walmart trying to get some diapers for Kinsley. Say hey mama. Ain't nothing up here. Ain't no size 3. This size 2. I'ma just get this one. I'ma just get the size 2 for now. I'm gonna get 2 more. That's all they got. Golly, Walmart don't got nothing, baby. This all the way back there. Who's gonna reach all the way back there and get these diapers? Not me. I'm stepping on my two-toe. I might as well get it. It's right there, y'all. It's like right there. Matter of fact, no, it's not. I'm looking for a size 3. Oh. This right there, y'all. The size 3, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, well. Mom, you ready for Burpa go back to school? She said, you ready for Burpa go back to school? Look, you ready for Burpa go back to school? At first, she shook her head. No, I didn't get on camera. I can't wait to take my braids down. Look at this. She just dropped the diapers, y'all. Hard-headed little girl. You ready for Burpa go back to school? Hey. 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 You ready for Burpa go back to school? You ready for Burpa go back to school? This boy ready. You ready for school? You ready for school? You ready for school? You in a big school? You in a big school? You not in no big school? when I get in it. I'll probably take my little pictures. We at the car lot, guys. Get my car. Jojo birthday sleep. I mean, Kim birthday sleep. Jordan sleep. Haley still sleep. Jay, you ready for a new ride? You ain't gonna stay there.
Shawty got a kill squad behind.
Look at Jordan.
They already got the stuff printed out?
Yeah.
Pick it up from the DMV?
Huh?
From the DMV?
I just got to show them that. What I got to do?
I'm just recording.
Oh,
Get my water.
Record her getting in the car.
You gonna take a picture?
is it recording yet or no?
It's already recording. You wanna go take a picture then? I gotta do a video for my TikTok. I might have been walking on that curb. All in my car.
Get over.
Parking on the curb.
Yay, go.
I said they better put my paint. I said
It's just scratched up.
it's just like my car. Parking up on the curb. I said they better paint it.
Go ahead and take one because he gonna be still looking for a bow.
He said I ain't got no ball.
Oh. There you go, right there. Keep the schedule.
Joe, stand over here by your mama.
Joe, come here. Jordan, come on.
Get your pocket to your girl.
Go stand over there by mama.
Joe, you wanna take a picture?
He said no, just come here.
You just have to get him over there.
I'm ready. Oh,
Kenny. Yeah, happy.
You want to get a pose with that finger?
she gonna
Kenny.
I'm gonna be like her, come on, kid. Look, this way.
Tie. I need some of that tie. What it is? Leather clean.
I ain't got to order none of that.
Let me go get the other.
I do need to use some of these in my.
We in the new car, Kiki. The new wheel. We in the wheel. Hey y'all, it's another day. I'm gonna put one of these in my drink to give it like a little flavor or whatnot. They're gonna fall. They're gonna put my phone right here. So I'm gonna have to go right here. Yeah, y'all. Let's see what color we have. Got the jelly bean. You got the jelly bean or I don't know what it is. It's another jelly bean. Mama, what's wrong? Ooh. Okay, y'all, I'm about to shake it up. Ooh, look at it, y'all. It's very fit. Very blue. Shake it. I'm about to put it in the refrigerator so it can be done. Let me go check on my food, guys. So yeah, hold on. Give me a sandwich in the air fryer. Y'all, your girl got her car yesterday. Stay tuned for the car video, the car tour. and decorate my car with me. So yeah, so my video won't be short with you guys. So I can't wait to show y'all the stuff that I got for my car, cause baby, we in there like somewhere. Stay tuned. Y'all see that sandwich? Peer. Y'all better go pick up Joe. He almost out of school, so plus he a car rider, so I'm gonna go pick him up. Y'all, I'm in my new car. I'm so excited. I love it. Excuse my hair. I'm so excited about my new car. Like, I cannot wait to decorate with you guys. So stay tuned for that video. And plus, one of my package came in today, so I'm waiting on my other one so I can decorate with y'all. So like I said, stay tuned for the next vlog because it's coming soon. So I'm not gonna tell y'all too much detail what it got, so y'all just gonna have to stay tuned for the next video. What Shakira got up her sleeves, honey. So I'm so excited. Woo! But let me go pick up my baby. And after that, I'm going to Walmart to get some more stuff on my car. So like I said, y'all gonna see that in my next video. So I don't know what I'm doing today. I just want to talk to you guys that I'm excited about my car. So yeah, I'm gonna give me some food. I gotta go get my baby some more diapers and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I go get JoJo. Y'all internet nephew being bad at school. The second yesterday, he did not want to go to school. Today, he was doing good and all that good stuff. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get through picking up Jordan. But I had one of these lights right here, but they are too much. Too much. They high. So, I'm going to order some off Amazon. I'm looking for the car freshener. Oh, my bad, Jordan. I don't think it's on this side. Okay, go that way. We can turn right here. I thought it was the other thing. I didn't know but toys. Which one do I want? I can barely smell this thing. They go rah-rah. Hmm. That was great.
Oh, Jaleel, look at Jaleel's shoes. Shout out to
Look, I call it Mr. Slurpee. Can I lay this chair down? Look, I push a button and then it goes down. It's okay. It's just so I can see. Look. Yeah.
Y'all, your girl got her car washed yesterday. It looking shiny. Look at her. Look at Cherry. I'm gonna get my tint done this week. Cause period, I'm gonna get my tint done.
More savings and more inspiring.
I'm gonna get my tint done Thursday, y'all.
Kroger, fresh for everyone.
She clean. I gotta clean up the inside of my car too. My baby got her car seats in here. Both a car seats in here.
Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Bro, my car is so dirty. Look at it. Y'all see that dust? Look at my kids put on my seat. Bro, my car is so dirty. Whenever my stuff get in, y'all finna clean out my video. Look what I got, y'all. Man, I can't even show y'all this stuff. Look what I got. My granny. Lisa. Bro, look at my car. As y'all see, look at it. I'm not this store. I just dropped my son off at school. And the dude was in my mama's house, gave me these to take back in the house. I can't wait till my stuff get here so I can decorate my baby. Y'all see it. Car video coming soon. Car tour of my stuff coming soon.